So as we are moving forward, guys, the visibility is even becoming lower. Nothing is visible, guys. I think one of the most important accessories that you should install on this motorcycle is this is the kind of light which I would not even recommend to my enemies, and I want my money back. If Honda is listening, please return my money. Hey guys, very good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Riding Saga. This is Sam. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, it's 26th January, so a very happy Republic Day from my side, guys. And let me show you something. Yes, here is my Honda CB350, guys. And as you can see, the visibility right now is quite low. These are extreme foggy conditions, guys. See, there are a few apartments over there on the other side of the road, but they are not visible right now. Okay, so guys, I'm going for a breakfast ride today, and today's video will be about the accessories that I have installed on this motorcycle. All right, including the fog lights from Honda, guys, how they performed, their cost, their utility, and whether they are worth it or not. All right, so we'll be talking about those accessories. Right now we are on the highway NS24. We'll be moving to a quieter place, and there we will talk about the accessories of Honda. All right, okay, let's go for a ride then. Okay guys, so I have started my short trip today, and once again a very happy Republic Day, guys. So as you can see, the visibility is quite low right now, and I have turned on both of my fog lights, guys. These are aftermarket fog lights, and I'll just try to make sure that my speed is relatively low so that I can easily manage the motorcycle and get a proper view. Okay, and I have also turned on my hazard lights, guys. Okay guys, so in my previous video, guys, which was about my journey from Delhi to Manali, I received a lot of comments, and I'm very grateful for them. So some of the commentators requested me to share my views about the accessories that I have installed on my bike. The maximum number of comments which I received were about Honda's fog lights, guys, which costed me rupees 8,000, guys. You know, see, nothing is visible right now, so I'll go slow. Okay, you know what, guys, today I have brought along my panniers as well, and I'm also carrying my drone right now. So I was hoping, you know, to fly my drone, but I don't think it will be of any use right now. You gotta be careful, guys. You gotta be extremely careful while riding in these conditions. Ride slow, wear your riding gears, and keep your fog lights on. See, they're coming in the wrong direction. So as we are moving forward, guys, the visibility is even becoming lower because it's an open highway, you know. See, this is a long weekend. I had 3 days here, guys, and I had plans, I had plans to go towards mountain to see snowfall, but unfortunately guys, unfortunately for everyone, including the riders like me, there is little or no snowfall right now in the mountains, okay, including Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So there was no point in going to mountains in these extremely harsh winter conditions, especially when there is no snowfall. So guys, some of you even wanted me to lose my selfie stick of Insta360 camera, the long selfie stick which I had installed here. I took note of those comments, and I have removed it. I also found it to be a distraction, so I have installed this standard selfie stick on my handlebar, which I think will do the job. Okay, see, look guys, look at this. Listen to the sound of the motorcycle, guys. CB350. So guys, I have really enjoyed riding this motorcycle so far. I think one of the most important accessories that you should install on this motorcycle is this handlebar riser from Carbon Racing. Alright, it's an inclined handlebar riser called Reach, alright, which has been made for Honda Highness and CB350 RS, guys, okay. And this is available on their website. Okay, the visibility is extremely low, so I will be careful, guys, don't worry. Okay, so you can also install this handlebar riser on CB350, this model. All you will have to do is that reroute the cables, guys. You will have to reroute the cables, and then you will be good to go. I don't know where this road is going, guys. I think this is the most important accessory that you should install, because it has significantly increased my comfort level, right? And my hands are right now relaxed. The handlebar right now is far more closer to me, and yeah, so this is something I strongly recommend. Nothing is visible, guys, and let me tell you guys, it's not safe, so I will not continue my ride for long. This is not safe, guys, this is not safe. Okay, so guys, one more suggestion which I received from one of my viewers was that that I should tilt my camera a little bit up. So I ordered a helmet mount extension, guys, which I have installed, and I hope it has helped, and it's giving better visibility right now. There is absolutely no visibility, guys. Okay friends, so look at this beautiful motorcycle, guys. Let me also switch on this. Yeah, so look at this beautiful motorcycle, guys. I have spotted a quieter place, guys. Right now the visibility is low, pretty low, so but I think we can see the motorcycle, right? Here's my all new Honda CB350. Look at this beauty, man. Isn't it amazing? So as I mentioned earlier, guys, I think the most important accessory that you can install on this motorcycle is this handlebar riser from Carbon Racing. This is inclined handlebar riser, right? And this handlebar riser is available on their website for Honda Highness and CB350 RS. But please remember, to install this handlebar riser on CB350, you will have to reroute the cables. Otherwise you will have difficulty in turning your handle, because it will become too stiff, so you will have to reroute the cables, but that will not be an issue, guys. You can easily do it. So I got it done from Honda Big Wing service center, and it was a very quick process, no issues. Okay, and the second most important accessory I think from Honda, which is quite sturdy, I think, is this crash guard. As you can see, it's pretty nice. All right, and it costed me 3,000 rupees, guys. I think it's around 3,500. So you know, they gave me a discount of 500 rupees. So yeah, it's a very good quality. I think it's much better than the aftermarket crash guards that are available. Okay, so the cost of this handlebar riser, I think, is somewhere around 2,000, less than 2,000, I guess. Yeah, I don't remember exactly. And the next accessory that I have installed from Honda is this knuckle guard, guys, which costed me 1,500 rupees. It's okay, that's the job. All right, and okay, I have also installed the sump guard, guys, from Honda, as you can see, which was around 1,700 rupees, guys. Okay, and the next accessory that I have customized especially for my bike is this saddle stay, guys, as you can see, where my panniers, Royal Enfield panniers, have been mounted. So I got it customized in Karol Bagh, guys. I'll give you the number of that person who does that job, and pretty solid, guys. You know, I have installed my Royal Enfield panniers here. The panniers you can buy in 30,000 rupees. Okay, and for this you will have to pay 3,500 to 4,000 rupees. Okay, 3,500 exactly. All right, so I have installed these two fog lights, guys, which are doing a pretty decent job. These are aftermarket lights, guys, both from HJG. All right, this particular fog light costed me 1,800 rupees including fitting, and this one 5,000 rupees including fitting. All right, because I have installed the mount that I have installed for this particular fog light is from Mad Dog, so which was pretty expensive. That's why. Otherwise you can buy this in 3,500 rupees. Okay, and I think the quality is decent, as you can see. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah, so you can see these handle grips, guys. These handle grips are not from Honda CB350, they are from Highness. So which I think give better comfort, you know, better grip. So I have installed these. This you can see the charger, right, the phone holder from Bobo. I installed it from Karol Bagh in 1,500 rupees. I think it's pretty good. Okay, so friends, hi. So friends, you know, I would like to give a review. Hello, bye-bye. Okay guys, so I would like to provide you with my opinion about the auxiliary lights from Honda, which I had installed just 2 days before my trip to Manali. All right, as you can see. Okay, so guys, you know what happened, just 2 days before my Manali trip, guys, I installed this. At night, you know, I went for a short ride and to check the quality of these lights, whether they would be able to provide me with the kind of visibility that I'm expecting. All right, so I bought these lights for 8,000 rupees. Okay, please remember. So during that short trip, guys, at night I realized that if I relied on these lights, guys, then my trip would be spoiled and I could be in danger. So next day, guys, I went to Gupta Biking Gear in Ghaziabad. Okay, and got this fog light installed, guys. All right, which costed me 1,800 rupees. All right, And let me tell you guys, please trust me when I'm saying, if I had not installed these lights, guys, my entire trip would have been spoiled. This, you know, this fog light, guys, I think it's good for nothing. All right, the visibility is extremely poor. This is the kind of light which I would not even recommend to my enemies, you know, because, you know, if you rely on this light and if you go for a ride, it could be fatal, guys. It could be dangerous because, you know, there is no visibility. I would like to give one suggestion to Honda, you know, just don't introduce accessories for the sake of it, you know. Do some research, okay, do some testing. Did you test these lights? Because if you had done so, you would not have offered these lights to customers like me. And especially for a price tag of 8,000 rupees, I would not even buy this light for 8 rupees, guys. And I would not even sell this to anyone because, you know, I don't want to endanger anyone, you know, because if somebody relies on these lights, guys, they could be in danger. They would be playing with their lives. All right. So yeah, so, you know, I don't recommend this light at all. I received a lot of comments asking my opinion about this light, and I also replied to them, it's not worth it, guys, you know, and I want my money back. If Honda is listening, please return my money. Yeah, so the next point, I would say I have done lamination on my motorcycle, okay, which costed me 1,500 rupees. I think that's it. These are the accessories that I've installed. Okay guys, so with this I would like to end this vlog. Again, if you have any more questions, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to answer them. Okay. Okay guys, so bye bye, see you soon. Look at the throw, guys, throw of these fog lights. Nice, no?